What's going on, YouTube? Coming back with y'all guys with another video. Welcome to the vlog. Yeah. God damn, I need some more tires. These hoes bald in the motherfucker. Damn. They bald. Boy, they getting there. Shit. But anyways, yeah, I'm finna upload a video of me going to this car meet from Saturday. My first time going. So y'all enjoy the video. Peace out. Damn, what the fuck? They paid $300 for the camera, right? I'm gonna give them. Get the trip, up the drive, I just put a 50 round on the cool, get salsa. Damn, ain't no sound on it. Couldn't fade it to a friend. I just a shot in the rose gold, man. Still at home, I let me fucking the court, no. Then niggas spit in the hand. Get in the hands and make them feel bad. Calm down, this shit not Woo! Shit, that shit man. Yeah, thank you for watching the video. Yeah, but like I said, that was my first car meet down here. I was gonna bring my truck, you see what I'm saying? But I still got more things to do to it. More things. So y'all guys follow me on Instagram. And y'all the Sleeve Buster. Y'all already know what it is. I already know.
And I'm gonna do some more videos about this truck, the upgrades and crap. I already got everything in, just haven't put it on yet. Been working, been busy. So you already know what it is. So thank you for watching.